Hello, everybody. Hey, everybody. We have another cumulonimbus here, and we have another one. We have another one right here. Me. There we go. It's all this anvil. It's all this right there. Let me go get, let's see, real quick. Then get a better, butterflies. You can get a better view of the storm. Yeah, right here. I can get a better view of it. There we go. There we go. Hey. Alright, yeah, that's really good. This cloud looks really good. There's like Mamatis on it as well on the anvil. I can't really see that well, but I can't really see the storm too well. But I'm going on the side of it though. And I heard thunder earlier off camera. That's thunder. Exposure get out of control. We have a nice cumulonimbus. Another nice one here. I bet you'll all like this one. Yeah, I was waiting for storms to come. And like my update video last time that I posted, I was expecting this to happen. Now my video count will most likely go up due to like I said last night with the storms last night. If you can see those over there, lizards. Let's pay attention to the cloud. To the storm head. Like, there's this anvil here. See the edge of it. There may be something over there again, but it's like over in the north. It may look, actually has like a break that, there's a little break in the center of it. It's really hot and humid out here. Like, unbelievably hot and humid. It's so Was that lightning? I think that might have been a strike. I don't know if you'll see the lightning very well with the sun. But don't know how charged the storm is. It just started there's like this weird haze in the sky, but now it started to clear up and give us a visual of this cumulonimbus head. It's looking real nice. Okay.
It's doing that. That looks like it's slowing the
It's my brother.
Yep, see there's more in the west too. They're just those ones that haven't become a storm yet. Because I'm pretty sure they're doing that because they went to wait for this storm to like pretty much like kind of move right that way. Because probably
Gosh, I can't see the screen very well.
By the time this one probably like starts like hitting us. Because this storm definitely looks like it's gonna hit us. It definitely looks like it will, because I can tell the anvil is literally like going towards the sun. Matter of fact,
The anvil's kind of covering the sun now. The anvil's covering the sun.
Like in the south and east, there was nothing going on. Those cirrus clouds are pretty sure they might have come from the storm here. No. Because, see, look at that big old cloud that's buzzing. It's just, yeah. This one is one that would, like, most likely hit us, because it's, oh, yeah, the sun's starting to get covered in the anvil. Because it's, like,
It's better. The storm's covering the sun up.
That's what it's
Kind of losing the sun.
trying to move itself towards us. Like, it's trying to go southeast. Most likely. If it goes southeast, it's more likely the bottom is like right in this area. There's no storms, but anyway, because there's a storm here. The storm is coming. Looks like it seems like it's coming.
The sun's coming out from the anvil again. It's getting hot again. Sun's coming out. The sun was just underneath the anvil of this cumulonimbus. And now it's actually coming out the anvil. The storm's like over here. It looks like it's gonna go past us in the west. It's gonna be it's gonna go. Looks like it'll get very close to us. Haven't really heard any thunder. It's like insanely blue in this direction from the rain. This one maybe getting covered up again. It's getting cooler again.
Yeah, see the. Oh wow, it's moving fast too. Like it only be like what, 10 minutes, and it's already like it's already like about to be completely over, and the sun's literally about to be covered.
Oh, it's coming out again.
Yeah, it's just a
It's
set.
it's insanely blue over there from all the precipitation
Yeah.
or rain.
Yep. I see another. That's nothing cloud. No, that is nothing cloud. That's another storm.
Wow, that's like with a good rising thing. Let me go move over here. Wow, it's just insanely blue over here. It's like insanely blue from the rain. Let me move over here. This will give us a good visual of it. There we go. It like breaks, and there's now a little piece going. There's now another piece just elevating. Yeah, there it goes up. Sun's getting got really covered now.
Oh wow.
That's really good now. It's now not that hot out here anymore from the sun. Without the sun and the.
Yeah, the fact that it's really warm, that's also making a high chance for like storms to blow up.
Oh, now it's coming back out. It's about to get hot again. Oh, exposure going up. Thing is, I can't really hear that much thunder. It's like odd, isn't it? I just can barely hear thunder.
No, the storm's going to. Night, honey. Night.
Where did it go? Okay, exposure's getting out of hand. Hey, it's actually kind of cool out here now without the heat from the sun's being blocked by the anvil of the storm. Oh no. And it's a severe thunderstorm warning now. This storm, I think this storm here that is on camera right now is severe warned. No tornado warning yet, at least. There's a severe thunderstorm warning. Luke, there's there's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah.
Yep, there's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Well,
The storm here is severe warned.
they're saying that because of the storm, because of, yeah, the storm. And there's more like really big, there's really big cumulonimbus clouds in the west. Like I think.
I want to have quiet I want to have quiet where I could actually. Oh, it flew right in front of me. The storm's rumbling. Over here, it's all dark. It's all dark over here from the rain. Maybe I can catch some lightning. Since I'm right here, I'm gonna make it where I'm gonna try catching lightning, if I can. Okay, well, how you go in the front yard, Luke?
What?
You can go in the front yard and watch it.
Yeah, I can see this. You're making a YouTube video of the thunderstorm?
Just don't worry about it.
Yeah. Nathan, that's not the bottom of the storm. That's not really the bottom at all. That's not the bottom of the thunderstorm, Nathan. The bottom.
Yeah, I know. Just.
That's the bottom of another thunderstorm. Because there's like a little crack right there. Can't really see anymore, but I know there's a crack right there. The main thunderstorm's like somewhere right there or so.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the. Let's see if I can go in the. The sun came back out, of course. It's now insanely blue over here now. Looks like the storm's gonna pass us just to the north. But the storm is severe warned. And this storm actually is, I can hear a lot of thunder in it now, right now. There's a lot of thunder. And the sun came back out from the cumulonimbus anvil. It just came back out too, so will we get as good lightning as last night? Maybe so. Hey, my brother is around. He likes storms too. I at least want to I want to at least catch some good storm content here. Yeah, this storm really has some rumbles in it. It really has some rumbles. Let's actually get another view of the side here. Let's get another view of the where it's rising. Where it actually is rising, right here. It looks like there's another piece right here trying to go up as well. This right there. I may have just had lightning strike somewhere. I don't know how close. I think this just maybe just a normal cumulus cloud right here. It may go up as well. It may it may go up as well because there is already a convective system, a convective updraft here. It may push this smaller one up as well. Like this little cloud is near a convective current, which that's what this cumulonimbus cloud is about. Really, lightning is just, cumulonimbus clouds really just produce static electricity. You may have already known. You may have already known that. Yeah, it's really thundering. Let's go back over to the rainy portion of the storm. So another view of the rain area. Yeah, I can't really see any lightning that well because of the sun, but I can hear it. I know it's there. I know we have lightning, but and we're gonna be really. This is gonna be a really unsettled weather pattern here, because we're like in the severe weather portion of spring. We're about to be in the severe weather portion of spring. It's like a really. This storm is actually caused by there is a cold front and a dry line. The cold front's coming from the northwest, and the dry line is coming from the west. Which it is really hot out here. I can get why that these storms are forming. It's actually very hot out here, in which this heat is disabling the atmosphere, and also it's very humid. All this humid air is just being kicked up by convection, by the cold front, and it's causing cumulonimbus clouds to form. So, and this storm's less than 12 miles away because I can hear thunder. Thunder usually, it's a 12-mile radius around the storm, that you can hear thunder rumbling. And yeah, last night I couldn't really get, there wasn't really a good view of the cumulonimbus head. Unlike today, there is a view of it. Oh, look, it looks like there may be more getting kicked up at the side. It looks like there's more getting kicked up here. But it looks like there's another area of convection. Looks like there's a little add-on of the convection here. It's actually very hot out here right now. It just feels like it's like maybe like around 80 degrees, but it's so humid. It's so humid that feels hotter. But that is good for the storm. Where is it?
There's another one. There's one. See right there? That's another one that formed.
Looks like it's just the convection of the bigger one it's kicking up more. It's kicking up more water vapor.
That's probably why there's another one right there that's forming. Oh, right there, there's still in the southwest, there's some too.
Let's go back to the rain. Rumble, rumble. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Rolling thunder. There's some nice rolling thunder here. Some nice rolling thunder. Yeah, I haven't seen any lightning yet that much. Haven't really seen any lightning too much because this storm is actually the sun is drowning out the lightning, but the sun, like last night, it was nighttime, so you could see the lightning better, like a whole lot better. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys down here. I'll leave you guys down here and let you get the. I'll leave you guys down there.
Yeah. See, there are like mini storms forming all around them. Wow, that's another one. Those are going to be hit by some too. Like we'll be hit by one.
because I hear it really going.
That's the bottom. That seems like the bottom.
I just want to see this cloud come up.
Well, Nathan, that looks like the bottom.
Maybe.
Is it coming, Nathan?
I think. Okay.
Oh, I just saw a lightning strike.
You did?
I just saw a lightning.
Okay, then I'm coming over to the rain. Over to the rain.
What? I just saw lightning like somewhere like right there.
Did you see it? What did it flicker or anything? Was it because there's two types of lightning strikes: negative CGs, which they flicker a lot. They flicker and have a lot of fingers coming off of them, and then positive CGs. Positive CGs. They have they can have a smooth channel.
Yeah, that's kind of what I saw. Like,
You're
some
right
of there's a smooth channel on it. Like, but there's a small one.
I'll have to show you.
It was kind of small though. That includes that there is something going on.
Alright, you can see it pass in front of you.
So that part might just come slide over us. Slide over us. Oh, it looks like it is coming. Yeah, it looks like it just got closer. Is that YouTube?
No, it's just a camera.
Yeah, it seems like the bottom of it's coming. Is it coming, Nathan?
It looks like it.
Oh, it's starting to get light around there. Well, the sun's gonna come out this way. Oh wow, there's a car rising here. Oh Nathan, it looks like this part of the storm right here looks like it's gonna miss us, but it looks like a little bit of it in the west is gonna come right at us.
Oh,
You saw lightning?
a little bit.
I think the storm is coming towards us. Seems like we can hit right a little bit of it.
Holy, whoa! There we go. Lightning. Here we go. That was probably, I don't know, it flickered. It went too fast. It just went for a split second, so I couldn't really tell what type of, if it was a positive or negative CG. Or CG stands for ground flash. Or ground strike. There's a thunder from the lightning strike over here. It struck over behind these trees. The thunder from it is down there. There is a way you can actually tell how far the lightning is, how far the lightning hit. Butterfly. So once you see a lightning strike, you start counting, and I think like every six seconds is a mile. Is a mile. So let's wait for one here. Wait for everyone here to start counting. I'll wait for one here to start counting. You did?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
See, there's another part of the storm over there. There's this storm that's also way over there too.
Strikes, I guess there.
Nathan?
I'm waiting for a strike.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube, Nathan?
Maybe.
Yep, there's a bottom right there too.
Yeah, it looks like the storm kicked up more convection.
There's also over there, there's rain falling off of right there too.
Here comes the rain. About to go underneath here soon, underneath the porch. No, they're saying we're about to go underneath once the rain starts falling, we're going underneath the porch. Yeah. Lightning is, but we have a good storm coming in now. This is coming in right now. This thunderstorm is coming in right now. Just wait for a lightning strike. So, and you can determine. You can also do it too. Just waiting for a strike to happen. Waiting for one to be visible to me. A lightning strike. Oh, do you hear that? Is that hail?
What?
Look, don't scare me like that. There's a clear hole in it.
You said hell? What? Is that a storm now?
Oh.
Hold on. Wait, is this storm dissipating?
No. No, it's not.
There's
Can
a
you?
hole.
Can you?
There's a hole right there in the rain.
You can if you can still hear if you can still hear the thunder, that means the storm's still going.
The bottom of this
Oh,
storm.
fuck. Tornado sirens. We got sirens. We got tornado sirens. So I think this storm it might be tornado warned. There's wind behind us. It's wind. It's not any like hail or anything. Is this storm gonna hit us at all? Looks like it's just going to the west or something. Now it looks like there's another one over here, but I don't think that one's that severe. The tornado siren's going off. Who am I getting? Something hit me in the face. comes the wind. I think the cold front just hit because it's now cold. There's now cool air now. It got very cool. More wind. There's tornado sirens. They're still going off. The tornado sirens are still going off. The storm's actually moving to, it looks like the storm is moving to the, looks like this thunderstorm is actually moving to the, east. Let's get back over here. Now it's not raining yet. But check. Looks like it's clearing up in that area a little bit. Look over here, it's just clouds. There may actually be a tornado warning. Oh, the wind! Oh, the wind! Whoa, it's getting gusty. Oh, looks like the sirens are starting to shut off. Sun coming out again. That's much better now. Oh, that feels so good now. Okay, the sirens are done. Now the storm is like over. It's in the. Let's go. Let's go over here. The storm is now over here. She got tornado sirens here. It doesn't look like the storm will hit us. Yeah, there's definitely still thunder though. Because right here it is clear. Right here it is clear. Like over here there's like blue sky. I can see it. Looks like the storm moved off to the east. It moved along.
Dissipated, Nathan. Looks like you just dissipated. The storm dissipated?
No, it moved off to the east.
What?
It moved off to the east.
What about it was in the west? Nathan, it was in the west.
No, the anvil's still up there. Let's see that. Okay, it looks like the cold front just hit because now it's all. It looks like the cold front just hit. So, it looks like the cold front just hit after the, it looks like, the cold front hit during the sirens, because it's now not as humid anymore. Got cold wind coming in. And now the storm's over here into the, right, it's all over here now. It's all over here now. This is where the storm is now. And supposedly it may have been tornado warned or something. I don't think it was. But this storm was severe warned. It may have been tornado warned as well, but as of right now, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, Luke. And now the thunder's gone. It looks like maybe a small popcorn head here, or dissipated one.
So what? It seems like the storm just dissipated. Yeah, it did dissipate.
Yeah. It's getting hot again too.
What?
Don't worry about it. Whew, it's hot now. It's still kind of humid too. There may be another one forming. I'm not too sure yet. Yeah, because now the storm that passed and gave the sirens is now moving over to the east now. Looks like this storm over here now we don't have to really worry about as much anymore. Don't have to worry about it much anymore because it's now moving away. I definitely saw some lightning. And actually, is another one trying to form? You see the part where like some storms dissipated here. The one back there that's still good. There actually may be more trying to form. But I don't know if any more will form. But I don't know if any more will form. So as of right now, I may have a part 2. Just be aware, I may have a part 2. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here because the storm is now finally starting to move away into the east. Or it may have dissipated. But as of right now, it just looks like it moved off to the east. So, hope you like watching it. I hope you like watching this video. And remember to subscribe and like the video. But if you like this video though, you don't have to subscribe, but it'd be nice if you it'd be nice if you do. We got the anvil. We're gonna take one last look before we go. Ooh, big bug. I think it's all done. It might be all done. I'm not sure yet. Still over there. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a nice day.